Hi, I'm Hilary Yip, and today we'll be reading The Ocean Dream by Nha Thuyen, illustrated by Bich. Coral loves to explore her river. She spends hours playing in the clear blue water. How many rivers are there on Earth? Coral wonders. Where does this river lead? I wish I could swim in the ocean. One day, a rainbow fish appears, struggling in the river grass. I've never seen such a beautiful fish, thinks Coral. Let me help you, little one. The fish swishes its tail. Come with me, she says. You saved me, so I will share with you a gift from the ocean. A gift from the ocean? Coral dives into the river. Cool water swirls around her body. Coral and the rainbow fish swim and swim. They keep swimming through the river, over an enormous cresting wave, and into the ocean. Finally, they reach the ocean's heart. Coral can barely believe what she sees. The rainbow fish waves its tail in a water dance. The ocean water is cool and fresh. It wraps around Coral like a sweet hug. Then, a gate to the underwater world opens. Coral thinks, I have never seen so much light. Welcome to our world, beautiful explorer, the fish say. With this crown, you are now one of us. The fish take Coral to rest on a bed of the softest seaweed. Please stay with us, the fish say. A salty drop falls on Coral's eyelashes. She blinks. The underwater world has disappeared. Coral is lying next to her beloved river. She wonders, was it all a dream? Everyone she knows has their own dream. Coral dreams of becoming a great explorer. Rainbow fish, I will return to you, Coral whispers.